Hey, it's Brad Bannock Park. Welcome back to another at-home boxing bootcamp workout. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. Haven't had time to film a workout, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a video from inside our members area where we did a live at-home boxing workout. The programming is exactly the same as before. We're working with 2-minute rounds, split into 4 sections of 30 seconds times 4 rounds. Minute rest in between, and then with a minute finisher. Yeah, so live workout from inside the members area I've got going at the minute for my guys who usually come to boot camp, but because of reasons at the minute with the coronavirus, we're at home, we're working out in the front room, but we're still getting it done. Here it comes. 10 seconds, get ready. You're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps for 30 seconds, yeah? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps. Back in the combination. 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps. 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's put it in now then. Come on. 2 squat jumps. 1, 2, 3. 2 squat jumps. That's it. Remember that 4 rotation. 1, 2, 3. 2 squat jumps. That's it. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3. 2 squat jumps. 5 seconds, then 2-step dash. 1, 2, 3. 2 squat jumps. Okay, go. 2-step dash. Straight in. Forward and back. In the space you've got. Come on then. Heart rate's up now, ain't it? Come on. Come on guys, that's it. Keep it going. Stay on the toes. Keep pushing through. This is going to burn those legs. After those squat jumps. And the heart rate's going to be up, yeah? So 10 seconds. Keep going. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Combination. 1, 2, 3. 2 squat jumps. 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps. My legs are on fire now, come on, we're gonna push. 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps. 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 3 seconds. 2 squat jumps. Okay, 2-step dash, then a 60-second rest, come on. Stay deep. I can see ya. Stay deep. Come on, Joe. That's it. Keep up, guys. Come on. Stay on the toes. Keep pushing. The quads are going to be on fire. Come on. Come on. Let's go. 8 seconds. Come on. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 60 seconds rest. Woo. It's a good one, isn't it? When I get my breath back, I'll tell you what we're doing in round 2. Okay, so you need to be fast, sharp. First 30 seconds, you're gonna do a 1, 2, 3, 4 punch, drop down, 2 press ups, 1, 2, jump up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 punch combination, 2 press ups for the first 30 seconds. The next 30 seconds, we're going to go into squat thrust. Yeah, all the way through the cage. So I'm going to target those shoulders, biceps, triceps, chest now. Yeah. So 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop down. 1, 2. Jump up. That's it, doesn't matter if you're late in time. We've got to be fast, because we've only got 30 seconds. Jump it up, come on guys. 10 seconds to go. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Squat thrust then, let's go. These are gonna kill the arms, gonna kill the shoulders now, yeah? Come on then. Gotta keep digging, keep that body weight forward, keep the hips down. 10 seconds to go till we're up into that combination. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we're up. 4 punch combination, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 press ups. Ah! That's it. This is a grueler. This is a grueler. Going in hard on the first workout. Oh, 4 punches, 2 press-ups. As always, do what you need, do what you need to do. Oh, for your injury. 1, 2, 2, 1. Squat for us. We're down. Straight in. Gotta dig deep. Remember, 60 seconds rest after this. It's down to you. Keep going. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Minute rest. How's that? Good work. How are we all doing? We all good? It's tough. It's tough. Okay, 30 seconds, we're back on. Same as round 1. 3 punches, 2 squat jumps, then the 2-step dash. Oh, oh, this gets the lungs. 15 seconds, guys, we're back on. 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps. Oh, these workouts are killing me this week. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps. 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps. Keep the squat jumps deep. 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps. 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps. 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps. 10 seconds. 2 squat jumps. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2-step dash, let's go! Come on then! Stay on those toes, get nice and deep. You're gonna feel those quads. That's it, on the toes. Keep it going, keep it going. 10 seconds, guys, come on. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3 punch. 1, 2, 3, 2 squat jumps. Oh, hello quads. Oh, let's go. Get our quads going, come on. 1, 2, 15 seconds. 1, 2, that's a killer. 1, 2, 3, push through. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2-step dash. Let's go. 2-step dash. Come on. Them legs now are going to be like concrete. You've got to push, guys. That's it, guys. I can see every single one of you. Go on, Daisy. Good work. Go on, Senior. I can see you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 60 seconds rest. Whew. This is the quietest you've all been. Go on, Bean. It's tough. Go on, Mitch. Keep up, mate. Good, Sandra. Hello, hello, hello. 25 seconds, guys, yeah. We're back on. 4 straight punches. The 2 press-ups. Then the 30 seconds after, those squat thrusts. Whew. And don't forget the all-important finisher. Whew. Okay, 5 seconds, we're back on. 4 punches. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop down, 2 press-ups. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Press ups. That's it. Jump up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 press ups. Yeah. 1, 2, 4. Down. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Okay, squat for us. In the legs. Straight in. Come on, we know what's coming now. Don't need to look at the screen. Just look at the floor. Grit those teeth. It's party time. Team BVP, let's go. Come on. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full punch. 1, 2, 4. 2 press ups. Them shoulders are shot it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. These full body workouts. Fantastic. Fast. Furious. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Last 30 seconds on the squat for us. Let's go. We wanted to do this one. It's an absolute killer. Last 10 then. Come on. Come on, Brad. Let's go. Minute rest after this. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Minute rest. I'm absolutely dripping, look. Absolutely.
I'm actually a little bit embarrassed to say it later to be no worries.
Okay, guys. You finish as many as you can in 60 seconds. Dead stop press ups. So we've done these before. Flat to the floor, yeah. Arms come out. Push up 1. Arms come out. 2. So you need dead weight to the floor every single rep. 20 seconds and we're going. Count how many you do. And then let me know how many you did after. 10 seconds, okay, and 1 down. Get ready, press up position. Dead stop push-ups. Dead stop to the floor. Release the hands. 2, 1, let's go. 30, 60 seconds. Halfway. Last 10. I did 34, I think. Whew. Some of you guys should have beat me on that. Now that was a tough workout, yeah. So if you've already done it before, try and beat, not try, go and beat your press ups next time you do it, yeah? So we're gonna get this uploaded so you can have a crack at this. That is tough. Keep the pace there, keep grinding away, keep pushing through. These 2-minute rounds, you know, they're fantastic for metabolic conditioning, getting you nice and lean, fit, you know, calorie burning. So get it done, let me know your score.